Weight loss, like many other journeys in life, isn't always a linear path. There are times when we hit a plateau and aren't sure how to get back on track or go further. In those moments, it can be tempting to give up or change our goals. However, with some research, planning, and effort, we can keep going and reach those initial goals without fail. When I've hit that plateau, one of the first things I do is assess what I've been doing up until then. I look at my diet, my activity level, and my sleep schedule. Even something as simple as maintaining proper water intake can make the difference between hitting a wall and hitting a stride. When I get to this point, I ensure that I'm eating proper meals, getting all the nutrients and calories I need throughout the day. Diets and fasting have their uses, but as overdoing them can do more harm than good, I make sure I haven't fallen into the starving myself thin mindset. I may cut out a few snacks here and there, but going hungry isn't an option. After that, I'll either increase my physical activity or switch things up with it. This may include altering my workout schedule slightly, or changing up the exercises I've been doing to focus on other areas. Sometimes switching things up a bit can be just what I need to have that breakthrough. I might also add an extra day or extra set to what I've been doing just to push myself a little further. At the same time, I might increase my rest and relaxation periods or reevaluate my methods. Resting and recovery, along with stress management, have a lot to do with reaching fitness goals and maintaining good health, so I can't afford to leave them out. And with all of this, I also give myself a little bit of leeway room. Reminding myself that it can be harder to lose weight the further along I am, I give myself much-needed mercy and understanding. The process is working. I just need to tweak it a bit and keep with it to finish the trip.